One of my favorite functions in Microsoft Excel is the COUNTIF function. I use it all the time and it's very powerful. So let's take a look at what we have here. I'm going to run through text with COUNTIF, numbers, and I'll also do some dates. This file is also available for download on my blog post, along with all the information I'm about to say about COUNTIF. There's the URL up at the top. There's some screenshots, some examples. The video is also here, and there is the file right there you can download that I'm about to use. It'll have all the answers in it. So here we go. I have over in column F a list of states for our customers. I want to know how many are in Georgia. So before I do this, let's see where this data stops. I'm in F2. So it stops in F36 with North Carolina. Over here to the right, count of Georgia equals the COUNTIF function has two arguments. It wants to know first what range are you looking in, and then the second thing it wants to know is what criteria. Both arguments are required. So I'm going to use the mouse on the first one. I'm going to highlight F2 to F36, comma, what criteria are you looking for? It is not case sensitive. I typed in capital G, little a, but I did put it in double quotes. Let's see what the answer is. 11 of our customers, I'm in cell L3. 11 of our customers are in Georgia. Very similar to what I just did because that was text. Here's another one. Column H has advertising sources. I want to figure out who found out about us and ordered from us through a Facebook ad. So equals another COUNTIF. What's your range? I'm going to go ahead and just type it this time. H2 through H36, comma, what's my criteria? It is Facebook. Once again, put it in quotations. 9 people found out us through Facebook. Now, another one with text, but this time I'm going to do a wild card. And also to help you keep up with this, I know I love this formula. It is formula text. By the way, if you're just watching this video and want to see, what did he do? What did Chris do? There are the formulas over here when I'm done. How many people found us through Google Ads? Again, I'm looking in column H. But let's say someone typed in Google, somebody else typed in Google Ads, someone typed in Google Ad without the S. So that would be equals COUNTIF. Range is still H2 through H36, comma, my criteria. I'm just going to do GOO, and then I'm going to do a star, which is a wildcard search. And I'm going to still do the quotations. That is it. I'm saying at least find GOO. I don't care what comes after it. There's 11 people that found us through Google Ads. Now I want to know how many of our customers are not located somewhere. So again, I'm just picking on Georgia. So equals COUNTIF. Again, the range this time is F2 through F36. To do a not, less than, greater than, GA. There is not Georgia. 24 people are not in Georgia from column F. Okay, now, so we've done text 4 times. One was a not, the last one I just did. One was a wildcard search, right there, the Google Ads, that's cell L5. Now let's do something with numbers. How many of our customers had a purchase, so this is column I, purchase over 1,000. Equals COUNTIF. The range is I2 through I36. I'm looking for greater than 1,000. There we go. I got 29. Let's go test that. I'm going to right click in column I. I'm on I3. I'm going to do a sort, largest to smallest. I'm going to highlight all the numbers over 1,000 with the mouse. I'm looking down the status bar. Count is 29 in my status bar. So that number is correct. I just wanted to test it. It's correct. So there's something with numbers right there. By the way, just to show you this, if I was looking for greater than or equal to 1,000, I'm going to edit this formula. That would be greater than or equal to 1,000. Just to show you that. But I'm going to leave it the way it is. How many people, now we're going to do a date one. How many of our orders, so this is column G, it says order date. How many of our orders were after the year 2018? If you look over there, I see a couple 2000, I see a 2019, there. So let's go figure this one out. Equals COUNTIF. The range is G2 through G36, comma, what's my criteria? I'm looking for count of orders after 2018. So that means starting on January 1. So there's my greater than or equal to January 1, 2019, still in quotations. Let's see what I end up with. 11. Let's go test that one real quick. I'm going to click over in column G. I'm on G3. I'm going to do a right click. I'm going to do a sort. Let's do oldest to newest. It doesn't matter. I'm looking down at my count in the status bar. It says 11. Go back up here. There is 11. So we're just testing some of this COUNTIF functions while we're going through here. And the last one, to be honest with you, I would have used the count blank function. Count blank purchases. Are there anyone that purchased anything that has nothing in here? In real life, I would do this. Count blank, just to show you this. I hope I get 0 because I don't think I have any in here. I2 to I36. 0. Let's delete one. I'm on the 55,885. Delete. Count blank is now 1. I'm going to undo twice. So I did that with the count blank. If you want to know how to use count blank and count A, look up in the top right corner. You'll see a link to those videos that I did for those. But if you want to use a COUNTIF with it, COUNTIF, since we're doing COUNTIFs, I2 through I36, and my criteria, just double quotes, because I'm looking for a blank. I still hope I get 0 right now. COUNTIF I2, helps if I type in the right formula, it's I36. There you go, 0. Let's test it. I'm going to delete. It went to 1 right here. So there's your count blank using COUNTIF instead of the count blank function. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Use COUNTIF. It is a wonderful function. It's one of my favorite. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.